Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been looking for the perfect way to elevate your home cooking, you are in the right place today. We often talk about gadgets and tech here, but sometimes the best piece of equipment for your kitchen is something that gets back to the basics of traditional cooking. Today, we are taking a deep dive into this beautiful Japanese-style ceramic casserole pot. Right off the bat, the first thing you notice is the build quality. This is made from high-quality mineral clay, which feels substantial and durable in the hand. Unlike thin metal pots that warp over time, this ceramic vessel is designed to handle extreme temperature fluctuations, ranging from -20 degrees all the way up to 500 degrees Celsius. That kind of thermal resilience is impressive for a ceramic piece. Let's talk about the design features that actually make a difference in the kitchen. The double-ear handle design is a massive win for safety. These handles are engineered to be easy to grip, allowing you to transport the pot from the stove to your dining table without the constant fear of burning your fingers. It also features a raised rim, which is a subtle but genius touch. If you have ever had a pot of soup boil over onto your stovetop, you will appreciate how this rim keeps everything contained and fits the lid snugly to trap heat and moisture. The double cover design adds a layer of practicality that you do not see in standard cookware. It helps in maintaining a consistent internal temperature, which is essential for uniform heating. When you are cooking rice or slow simmering a stew, you want that efficiency, and this pot delivers by keeping the heat locked in. Because it is made of mineral clay, it actually helps to release trace elements into your food, which some enthusiasts argue helps in preserving that authentic, deep flavor that you just cannot get from a stainless steel pot. Now, let us get into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the versatility is unmatched. You can use it for soups, steamed rice, or as a dedicated vessel for side dishes. It works perfectly on gas stoves and electric ceramic stoves, making it a great fit for most modern kitchens. The finish is stunning, with an exquisite glaze that looks beautiful enough to serve food directly at the table. On the flip side, the cons are fairly straightforward. Because it is ceramic, you have to be mindful of heavy impacts, as it is not as shatterproof as cast iron. Also, it is strictly for gas and electric ceramic surfaces, so if you are using a strictly induction stovetop, you will need an interface plate. Overall, this casserole pot is a fantastic investment for anyone who values slow cooking and presentation. It bridges the gap between functional kitchenware and an elegant serving piece. If you want to take your stew and rice game to the next level while keeping your kitchen aesthetic clean and professional, this is a piece worth having. Link in the description.